to invest in YouTube requires a lot of time, effort, because you need to create a thumbnail, write the script, record, edit, and on top of that, first of all, you need to find content ideas. So this is the main goal of this video. I want to show you how I use an AI agent to help me find content ideas that will bring topical authority and leads to my business, to your business, to whatever business. Let's dive in. Okay, so, and the AI agent I'm talking about is Letaido. It's an AI agent built on top of Ahrefs data, and it's using all the major LLMs you can think of. Just look at the console. As you can see over here, it's quite familiar to many other LLM consoles that we have been using in the last 3 years, and these are some of the LLMs you can use. For this video, I'm gonna use Claude Sonnet 5 just because it's simpler, it's effective, it costs less, so why not, right? How will I find the content ideas here? Well, as you can see up here, we have the function called apps. So here I will not build anything, I will simply use an app that has been already provided by the team of Let, and the one is gonna be for video SEO opportunities. Now you can see that this app is already installed, so I will just update the app and delete my data so I can restart everything from scratch. Give it a few seconds. The app is getting installed by Letaido. See you in a few seconds. Okay, the app has been installed. I wanna do content related to AI. As you can see here, the app is telling us, hey, please give me a YouTube channel so I can pull the content ideas from there. So let's go with Ahrefs. Nope. Doesn't work this way. Okay, so let's go with Edward Sturm. I love his videos, so let's go with his channel. Scrape. Let the AI agent scrape. Okay, now the agent completed the scraping of Edward's channel. Here you can see the interface. The secret sauce lies here. Let's run the traffic data. As you can see here, the agent is scraping all the videos with the best ranking videos in terms of traffic. Let's give it a few seconds. You can see the agent is pulling 42-week history, analyzing a lot of videos. Okay, sweet. So now we have the traffic analytics, traffic per month. The first video is this one that has been published 2 months ago. The traffic per month is 883, but then you can see that the views are at 16K. So I don't know why Letaido writes this, but I trust this one more than any other metric. And here is the golden info, because here you can find the top 5 keywords to target. Let's find a content that can be evergreen. The how-tos are great because they provide a constant tip, and the best type of content is targeting keywords that attract people ready to make a buy. So I can scroll through this one and to spot the video that has been published with the highest and actually got the highest amount of views, like for example this one or this one. Google search links, Google search update 2016, image SEO secrets, image for SEO, Google image for SEO, how I find low competition keywords that actually convert. This is an interesting one. Low competition keywords. This is the first way I can proceed thanks to this agent, but the other one is downloading the CSV. I have already downloaded it, and to import that CSV into the spreadsheet. And this is the result we get. So let me close this one. We have all the titles over here. I need to understand the one that are the most performing one, the best performing ones. So I sort from from A to Z. Okay, let's try with this one. Of course, here you can find inspiration.
We have got to the point where...
But it seems that this one is the only video that is attracting a lot of clicks. So I would try the same, how one article can drive 5 million daily clicks. I would focus on listicles because I know very well how to create quality listicles for SaaS to attract quality traffic and leads. But as you can understand, by installing this application, you can quickly scrape a YouTube channel. This time I did it just with Edward, but you can do the same with the Ahrefs channel or any other YouTube channel you consider to be interesting, and you can find YouTube content ideas quickly. Like, let's focus on this one: keyword cannibalization, why your SEO pages compete and how to fix it. It's all clear. keyword cannibalization SEO, keyword cannibalization, cannibalization SEO. This one, the 6 steps of SEO, the right order to maximize your results. SEO management, search engine optimization management. All clear. How to build high quality backlinks in the health niche. Also, this one is super clear. As you can see, because of this AI agent and this scraping, I saved at least 30 minutes in this content research. Now, the next step will be to create a list of 30 topics to target on YouTube. And imagine when you have to do this type of work for 4 or 5 clients in a week. We're talking about 2.5 hours, 3 hours of time being saved that you can allocate to something else. I hope you find this quick video helpful. Drop a comment, a like down below, and in case you want to try Letaido, go ahead. I've been using it for 2 months and I just love this AI agent built on top of Ahrefs data using a lot of LLMs that we already know. Thank you for watching. Till next one. Bye.